Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And today's demonstration is on a unit sent in by Tim in Garden Grove, California. It's out of a 66 Ford Mustang, very popular unit. Now, one thing I'll say about this particular unit is the tone control is bad. It's got a cracked wafer on both sides. The tone control, this is actually a 5-section control. It's got 2 volume controls, 2 tone controls, plus the track change momentary switch, and the tone section is in front. So if there's like an impact or any kind of intense vibration or impact, the tone controls are more vulnerable than the volume controls. Thankfully, the volume control is still okay, and the tone control really is only used these days. Like if you had thankfully this customer requested use of his original connectors, which means it's only a 2-speaker system, and we've already got a left-right balance control, so we don't need that virtual fader that a good tone control would have given us. And for almost all listening purposes, everybody keeps the tone control all the way up anyway, because all turning it down does is reduce treble. And so anyway, we're ready to test her out. This is an FM conversion. I've got it set to FM at the moment, so let's go ahead and turn her on. And we'll just run down the entire FM band, make sure we pick up a few stations.
These are sensitive. Hondas. Every Honda model is clearance price.
Tailor-made custom coach. That
I wish it
say this week it will have completed.
Okay, going to switch over to AM for a moment. There's the 1-week station, 2-week stations, and a 3rd one. And there's our strong AM station. So we'll go back to FM just for fun. I just kind of like being on FM. And we'll pop in the tape, make sure that works. Got some Neil Sedaka here. Alrighty, pop in the tape. And we're going to look at our output level meters, make sure that we got both speakers. Turn our balance left. Balance to the right. Switch tracks a bunch of times. A nice, bright sounding 8-track there. Okay, now we're going to test the USB. Customer has requested the USB reader. We're just going to plug our stick real quick. Make sure my radio commercial comes on. And that takes care of that. And the last thing to check is the dial light. We'll see if we can see that in the daylight here. Okay, let's see if we can get a little bit better view of this thing. There is quite a bit of light coming in right now, so it makes it kind of difficult to see. But yep, it's working. I can see it coming on and off. Let's see if we can switch views here so that you can see it too. I should see it. You can just see it peeking out right there. as I turn it on and off in response to my commands. So that takes care of the testing. Turn it on one last time, just to make sure it's okay. Now it's just taking a while to come on.
We're calm in Prescott.
There we go. Alrighty, that concludes the test, and I'm ready to get on to the next job, see if I can find my face again. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this is a pretty typical AM radio converted to FM with the 8-Track and a couple extra features, or one extra feature, USB reader. So my phone number for paying repair work only is 928-533-9666. My website is in the description below. Thanks so much for watching and listening. We'll see you guys next time.